Thank you.
Hopefully, you learned that you can do things.
And no power.
Oh yeah, the power was all out in the town, 10 miles away, Huntsville,
Where we get our materials.
where we couldn't buy materials. Yeah. Such an adventure. I don't know why the power was out, but the whole town was set for that. Police department had their own propane generator running. Anyway, such a good adventure. And we will continue to make things better. That is what my goal is, to make other people's lives better. Okay, guys, we'll catch you a little bit later with another part of this project.